Hello everyone, today I have a gift for you. You can see that is a mini app, and that mini app source code is totally free for you those are watching this video till end. So how you can get that source code, how you can modify that source code, how you can run that source code, I'm going to tell everything on this video. So I request you watch that video till end. Okay, let's come on the topic and take a preview of this mini app. So that is the home page. If I go on the leaderboard, that is the leaderboard. Currently they have only one user. That is the invite, and there is something like a listing countdown that you can add here. Now that is a simple mini app, and let me show you the admin panel. So you can see that is the admin, and here I need to type a secret code, but I don't know any secret code. What is the secret code? The secret code is 1234, and if I try to enter that, then that is the secret code, because my first type anything should be the secret code. If I type here a pin code like 3035, that is a secret code, but I will go with 1234 because that is of course of a demo something. So you can see currently they have only one user and they are not having a verified user. So that is the thing. Now what I can do, if I want to update that user balance, I just need to click here that balance, then I can add here unlimited that I want to give that user balance. Now I write that, and you can see that is the balance. Awesome. Now they have something like a tax management. Now that is the tax management, and you can see they have two tags. I want to add more tags here, and the tax is check TG. Okay, then that is the TG. I don't know what is this board. Then Telegram, and then I click add tags. Now you can see they have a third tags, that is check TG. But if I go on the mini app and refresh here you can see they just have only one tags. Then where is the other two tags? So they have a logic that is called drift. So if I click here, I can make that tags as live, I can make that tags as drift. So currently join syntax, that is the live tags, and other two tags is drift. So if I make that tags is live and I just simply refresh that page, and you can see they have something like subscribe syntax on YouTube, but that reward is 0. So how can I set the reward? They not have anything. I just need to simply click here and I can add here the reward something like 500 and enter. Now if I refresh here once again, you can see that is the point. Now that is 500. Well, now I want that tax user can do every day on a specific time, or that tax should be user can do on weekly, like in a week that tax user do one time, or something else like monthly. So if I said that weekly, that means user can do that tax in a week only one time. If I said that is daily, then that means user can do that tax daily. If I said that monthly, that means user can do that tax in a month only one time. That is awesome, right? So if I go on the live, you can see they have only two tags. If I go on the drift, then they have only one tax. Great. Now if I just come on the home page, and here I want to search something like, I want to go on the subscribe. You can see I type SU, then you can see that is the tax, or that title is start with SU, and there's something like that. However, so I just ignored the admin panel and I come how I can configure the if you check the description box, I guess you can see a link, a reconisa.com link. So here you need to do two simple tasks. Once you just need to join my Telegram channel, and another one subscribe my YouTube channel, and then you can click unlock file. Now once you unlock the file, you can get the zip file, that is this one, codes.zip. Now once you unzip that file, then you get a code that is something like this. Okay, let me show you how you can configure that. As you see here, they have the client, and the client are built with React.js, right? And of course for doing entire process you need Node.js installed on your machine. So they have something like package.json, and they have a lot of dependency, but that dependency is currently not installed on your that project. So I need to install that. So for installing, there have a command. What is that command? I just need to open the terminal. So how you can open the terminal? You can click here and you can click new terminal. I use the shortcut. So here you can see that is on that code. I am on this code directory, so I just need to go on that client directory. So for going that client directory, I need to type cd then client. Now I am on the client. Now here I just need to type npm install. Now once I type npm install, then you can see there have a file that is created, and that name is node_modules. Now I don't want to make that video longer, so I just click here for open a new tab, and in this tab I type cd server. So I am on that server, and here you can see here also not have node_module, or here also the dependency is not installed. I just need to install all dependency on the server. So for installing on all dependency, I just need to type npm install. So you can see our dependency is already installed here. Well, client side and server side both are installed here successfully. So what I need to do now, I need to do a configure with .env on the server. So here I need to type the connection string. How you can get that connection string? For getting the connection string, you just need to go on the mongodb.com. then that is the MongoDB at last, and that is one of the most popular database currently. So if you don't have any account, you just click on the register now for registering a new account, and if you have an account, you just need to click on the sign in and your account. Now once you sign in, you can go something like this overview, and you just need to click on that connect and divert. Then you can see that connection string. You just need to copy that, but here you need to type a password, database password. But if you don't know that password, what you need to do, you just need to go on the database access, and then you need to create a new database user. Now of course you need to give them the rights or rules. Then you can use that username and password and the connection string. Now you need to ensure one more thing. You have whitelist all API. You just need to ensure one more thing. You are whitelist all IP address, so anyone can access through that connection string. Then you just need to go back on your VS Studio. Then you need to type here your connection string. Then the second thing is the boot token. You need to type here your boot token. We are dealing with Telegram, and of course you know how you can create a new boot. So for generating the token, you just need to type here the command token. Then you need to select the board. Then you can see that is the token. So I have already pasted here the token. And the third thing is the tone address. You need to replace the tone address, and then what you need to do, how much is the tone reward, that is tone transaction reward. So if I run that in npm run dev, that is the server, and I go on the client, and here I also run that npm run dev, then you can see both are running. So I just refresh that, and refresh successfully. You can see there have something like make a tone transaction. So if I start, then that will be make a transaction. Then what address should be receive that tone? You need to type here that address, and then you need to go on the src, then environment.ts. Here you need to type the tone address, same tone address. Then you need to type here nanotone. 100 million is equal 1 ton. That means 100 million nano is equal 1 ton. You need to type here how much ton you want to type here. You can use ChatGPT for generating or converting nanotone to ton. Then tone transaction reward, the same reward you need to type here. Then the symbol, token symbol. What is that symbol? You can see something like dogs here and this kind of something. So you just need to type here symbol. Then project name. You can see if I show you these dogs, you need to type here that project name. Then the app link, like when user click on the copy link, then which link should be copied, then you need to type here that app link. So that's all. And now I guess you know how you can deploy a React or Express app on cPanel. If you don't know, comment below. I will make another video so you can understand how you can deploy a React app. That in this video. See you on the next video. Bye bye.